Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. So we are back with another video of Symbiosis Colleges, and today we are going to discuss about the Bengaluru campus. Yes guys, so if you are targeting for the set general examination for the year 2023 and if you are targeting this Bengaluru campus, what would be the seat matrix, what would be the reservation policy, the placement stats you will be getting over here, the specialization you can do, what will be the fee structure, and what is the exam date. We will be covering each of this point in this video, so stay tuned. But before we move on, we have already launched the batches for the year 2023 and 24. You can prepare for both the years, where you get live classes and classroom session, books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You will be solving 10,000 plus questions and you get a proper mentorship, and you also get complete guidance about the selection process, guys. So you can always target for the IPMAT, NPAT, Set General, of course, the Christ University examination and various other BBA examination. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can always visit our centers Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number 8828581455, or else you can visit the official website www.manualed.com for more information. Now let's get started with the video and let's understand in detail about the Bengaluru campus. So Symbiosis International Deemed University is a multidisciplinary university offering its students and faculty a vibrant learning ecosystem designed around its multicultural and innovative ethos. So guys, this is about the Symbiosis International, under which all the Symbiosis campus comes. Okay, the Symbiosis Center for Management Studies, which is also known as SCMS B stands for Bengaluru campus, is a constituent of Symbiosis International. Like I said, it is a constituent of Symbiosis International, which is situated in Pune. It began its operation in November 2021. Based in Electronic City, or the IT hub you can say, Bengaluru is famous for its IT hub. The institute employs a vibrant academic approach that enable learners to choose topics from variety of areas. The unique curriculum combines business studies with data science and analysis. Guys, business studies, BBA is all about the business studies, because after BBA most of the students go for the MBA studies to transform students into skill driven and business management. So obviously you will be learning about core business in your 3 years of course. Now let's look at the BBA program as well. Let's understand about the BBA program. The BBA program is a 3-year, like I said, 6-semester full-time graduate program that strives to develop students into socially conscious, responsible corporate citizens. The program, with its comprehensive and up-to-date curriculum, a large section of optional modules, will enable students to pursue higher education at prestigious business institution in India and overseas to enter the corporate sector. So guys, BBA, which is nothing but the Bachelor's in Business Administration, is of 3 years, and after which you will be pursuing your MBA of 2 years. So here in your 3 years you will be studying about the core business, which will directly help you in your 2 years of MBA. Is that clear? Now let's move ahead. Let's understand the eligibility criteria. The students should have passed 12th or equivalent course in any discipline from any recognized board, council or university with minimum 50% of marks if you are coming from the general or the open category, and if you are coming from the SC and ST category you have to get 45% of marks. So 5% of relaxation over here if you are coming from the SC or the ST category. Qualifying the Symbiosis entrance test, which is also known as your Set General, personal interview, which is PI, and written ability test, which is VAT. So you have to pass through 3 steps, which is Symbiosis entrance test will be your first, personal interview will be your second, and written ability test or VAT will be your third. Indian students will be admitted on the basis of merit list drawn out of the results of the selection process through Set and PVAT. Now what is PVAT? PVAT is nothing but your personal interview and written ability test. So your set score holds 50% of your marks, and your personal interview and written ability test combined holds 50% of the marks. Clear? So it will be 100%. The seat intake year for BBA is total 120 seats. We'll be seeing the distribution of the seats later on in this video. Now, what is the objective of the BBA program you will be pursuing over here? The first one is graduate attributes. Once you pass out of your 3 years course of BBA program, you are a graduate in BBA. What will be the attribute of this program? The first one is scholarship. You get a scholarship in the field of research, inquiry, and in your lifelong learning. So this is a very good point. A global citizenship. They want you to be ethical, social, and professional understanding person. So this is a skill development. Ecoliterate. They want all of us to have a sensitivity towards a sustainable environment, because the environment or the ecosystem we will be working in, we should adapt that environment, or we should gel up with this environment so that we can give our contribution to the society. And employability. So they want to have the employability, because this shouldn't be the case. Once you get passed out of the college, you don't have any employment. They want you to equip with skills, attribute, leadership, and entrepreneurial qualities that society needs, being capable of making a contribution to society through earning a living. So they want you to be employed, they want you to make contributions to the society and to give back to the society in any way possible. It develops your skill as well, it gives you employability, it develops a sensitivity in you towards the environment, and it gives you a social as well as the professional understanding. Now, what are some program educational outcomes? It inculcates the ability of critical thinking and scientific inquiry to solve real world problems. So it inculcates the ability of you to think critically as well as scientifically, so that you can solve the real world problems. It helps the students to engage with in-demand global competencies and skills, and to focus on technology and analyticals. So in today's world, where there are a lot of competitions, you need to have your skills developed and sharpened, because without which you won't be able to deal with the new technologies as well as the analytics. To foster the spirit of lifelong learning, inclusive growth, and sustainable development. Lifelong learning is a must, because without which you won't be growing yourself as well as you won't be sustaining the environment you are working in. To develop an understanding of Indian knowledge system and sensitivity towards the society and environment, and to imbibe an entrepreneurial spirit, which is business owners or as managers. Now let's look at some specialization you will be developing over here over the course of 3 years. You can become a marketing manager, you can work as an human resource management, you can work in an accounting and finance firm, you can work in an international business, environment business you can work in, and you can develop an entrepreneurship, which is you can set up your own business, and this all helps you develop and sharpen your skills. Guys, business world is all about skills. If you don't have skills, then there's gonna be a lot of problem in the business world for you. So all this specialization develops skills in you, so that you can be ready for the outside world to deal with. Now let's look at the reservation. We saw that the total intake seats is 120, out of which if you are coming from the scheduled caste, you have 15% of the seat reserved for you. If you are coming from the scheduled tribe, you have 7.5% seat reserved for you. If you're differently able student, you have 3%. If you're a Kashmiri migrant, you have 2 seats per program. And if you're an international student, you have 15% of seats reserved for you, including PIO and NRI. So these are the 6 steps which you have to follow, or else you won't be getting any admission in this college. Step 1, you have to fill the form, of course, without which you won't be getting your admit card. Once you get your admit card, you have to give your set examination. Once your set examination is done, you have to go through the VAT and PI rounds, after which you will be getting your final scores, and then you have your final admission. So these are the 6 steps you have to follow in order to get into the Bangalore campus. And these are some important dates, guys. Please pause the video and note down the dates, or else you can check the official website of Symbiosis as well. You will get the dates over there. The registration has already been started, and the last day to fill up your form is April 12th. So if you haven't filled up your form, go and fill the form as soon as possible. Don't delay it. You will be getting your admit cards on April 22nd if you're going for the slot 1, and if you're going for the slot 2, you will be getting your admit card on April 28th. So the test will be on 2 slots. If you're giving the slot 1 paper, you have your examination on May 6th, and if you're giving the slot 2, you have your examination on May 14th, and the timings are 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So get ready, guys. If you haven't started off your preparation, pull up your socks. You can contact our counselors and book your seats for the classes and start preparing. Let's understand the fee structure. The fee structure is 3.3 lakhs per year. It's a bit on the higher side, but it will all be worth it once you pass out of your 3 years of BBA program, because the opportunities you will be getting coming out from a prestigious campus like Symbiosis, you have your future secured. And it's just an investment to your future. So don't think that the fee structure is on the higher side, because it will be around 10 lakhs for your 3 years. It's totally understandable, but the exposure you will be getting over here coming out of 3 years of BBA will definitely be worth it, because you will be getting average CTC over here 5 to 6 lakhs per annum, and it can go up to 6 to 8 lakhs as well, depending on the interviews. And the higher CTC you will be getting over here is 12 to 14 lakhs per annum, so it can go up to 14 to 16 lakhs per annum as well, depending on the interview round, depending on the placements and the companies you will be working in. But you definitely have a future over here, because you get to work with these top brands such as KPMG, PwC, ICICI Bank, Northern Trust, Amazon, Zomato, Check, SocialBeat, Catnon, Club Mahindra, IKEA, Wipro, MGH, UPS, and many more. So guys, what are you all waiting for? Just head to our centers. If you're Mumbai based, you can visit our Vasai, Dadar as well as Borivali centers, and you can book a session with the counselor. We'll be helping you to solve all your doubts. And if you're outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number 8828581455, and you can always follow us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram. You can join our Telegram channel BBA Entrance, where you will be getting all the notifications regarding examinations, and you can subscribe our channel Manuver BBA Entrance, where you will be getting all the specific videos regarding PB examinations. So guys, call on the given numbers, book your seat as soon as possible, start studying. If you haven't started off your preparation, you don't want to miss out to get into the Bangalore campus. So that's all from my side in this video. I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and prepare well.